Welcome back to TechRooms. Today we're going to show you how to set up an alarm with the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. So we have to first have the phone, the watch charged. Click the button on the side and then click it again. And when we click it the second time, we scroll to the menu that you saw, scrolling like that. And we have the alarm here. Press here, add an alarm. Let's say we want it for 18:05 or wait, 18:1 up, 05, and you have to scroll. 06. We press OK, and let's say repeat, and we can choose repeat days of the week. We can say no repeat, and it's only once, as you can see there, and we can toggle it on and off, and we added that now. So now we have an alarm which should beep in a few seconds, but basically that's how you set an alarm on the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.